The jumble situations are actions during the game in which the team entitled with the ball for the next situation is the one with the right for the alternating possessions. The jumble situations are a held ball. Held ball occurs when one or more players from the opposing teams have their hands firmly on the ball, and neither of them can obtain the control without any roughness. If we have a held ball situation on the court and one player steps out of bounds, the held ball situation comes over the violation of the out of bounds. The same occurs if we are on the midcourt and one player steps on his backcourt. Also, the jumble situation comes above the violation of backcourt. A jumble situation also occurs when the ball goes out of bounds and the referees are in doubt or disagree about which of the opponents last touched the ball. Another jumble situation is when a double free throw violation occurs during an unsuccessful last free throw. In addition, when a live ball lodges between the ring and the backboard, except between free throws or after the last free throw followed by a throw-in from the throwing line on the team's front court. If the ball becomes dead when neither team has the control of the ball nor is entitled to the ball, a jumble situation occurs. For example, during a shot, when the ball is in the air, it is considered that any team has the control at this moment. So if the ball becomes dead and any team is entitled with it, a jumble situation occurs. After the cancellation of equal penalties on both teams, if there are no other foul penalties remaining for the administration and neither team had the control of the ball nor was entitled to the ball before the first foul or violation, we have a jumble situation. Finally, at the beginning of all quarters other than the first one and all overtimes, a jumble situation occurs because the team with the throw-in is the one which has the alternating possession, unless there are special penalties to be administered. I have mentioned many times the term alternating possession. Okay, an alternating possession is a method of causing the ball to become live with a throw-in rather than a jump ball. The possession is shown by an arrow at the official's table, and this arrow will signal the direction in which the team entitled with the next alternating position is attacking. The alternating possession throw-in begins when the ball is at the disposal of the player who is making the throw-in. It can end on three ways. The first is that if the ball is legally touched by any player inside the playing court. The second is if during the throw-in the ball is lodged between the ring and the backboard. And the third situation if the thrower in commits a violation, for example, the 5 seconds violation. In this case, if a violation occurs, the ball is put at the disposal of the opposing team, but the alternating possession throw-in has ended, so the arrow must be changed to the other team in this moment. In all jumble situations, teams shall alternate possession of the ball for a throw-in from the place nearest to where the jumble situation occurs, except directly behind the backboard. During the jump ball, it is considered that the first team that does not gain the control of a live ball inside the playing court will have the next alternating possession throw-in. If, in this case, any player put the ball out of bounds without any control inside the court, we need to wait until the throw-in. For example, we have a jump ball and the blue team puts the ball out of bounds. We need to wait what happened after the throw-in. In this throw-in, the orange team is considered the first team to have the control of the live ball inside the playing court. So the blue team will have the next alternating possession throw-in. In this second example, while the orange team is making the throw-in, there is an interception by the blue team. So it is considered that the blue team is the one who has the first control of a live ball inside the playing court. So the orange team will have the next alternating possession throw-in. A foul by either team before the beginning of a quarter other than the first one, or overtime, or during the alternating possession throw-in, does not cause the team entitled to the throw-in to lose that alternating possession. A foul committed by any team during the alternating possession throw-in does not make that team to lose the alternating possession. For example, if we have a defensive foul during the alternating possession throw-in, the next throw-in comes as a penalty of the foul, and the yellow team will remain the arrow for the next jumbo situation. In the other case, if the foul is committed by the offensive team and we have a foul, the next throw-in will be as a penalty for the foul, and the yellow team also remains the arrow for the next jumbo situation.